All right, you guys, this is what we're gonna make today then. It's a pesto pasta, and this is all you're gonna need. Proper minimalistic and super quick to throw together. So the only things we've got to prep are the tomatoes and 3 cloves of garlic. So let's get those chopped up now. Then for the tomatoes, all we're going to do is just cut them in half. You might want to speed this bit up. First things first, we're going to get the pasta on to boil in some salty boiling water. So we'll do that now. So the pan's on to a very low heat. We don't want to go too crazy cooking the tomatoes. We're just on to soften gently. Some olive oil in there. Tomatoes in. Garlic can also go in at the same time. And all we're going to do is soften these gently on a low heat while the pasta cooks. So this is ready to plate up now. So we've got ourselves a little bowl. Just get a portion of the pasta out. Some of the tomatoes on there as well. Parmesan cheese all over it. Make it rain all over. Just like that. Generous with it. Some more black pepper on there as well if you want. Lemon wedge on there as well. And there you have it. Nice, simple pesto pasta, thrown together, 15 minutes, start to finish. Enjoy.